Hello everyone, welcome
Hi.
back.
Welcome back.
Now the old world situation is not really good, so we have to using this way to talking to you. Now is watching as the friends.
Yes.
Thanks for again for watching our living show today.
Yes. Thank you.
Liliana, I have a question to ask you.
Yes, for what?
How much do you know about the escalator and moving walk?
Actually, as we know, escalator and moving works are very common now. When we go to the supermarkets, we
Yeah.
can see them.
And the other side, I want to ask,
Yes.
what kind of environment to using which type of escalator or the moving walk?
Yes.
So today we will talking more topic about it in detail. We will expand it.
Yes, we will explain it in detail.
Actually, for our elevator and escalator, we have a lot of advantage. But especially today, we're talking about the escalator.
Yes.
So first of all, the escalator is suitable for the large public building, such as the shopping mall or the supermarket,
Yes.
which have the characteristic of containers carrying a large number of people. And escalator in the building can arranged separately as up or down, and arrange as up and down side by side.
Yes, Ringmo, I want to know what's the angle for the escalator and moving works.
Okay, for general talking, the gradient of the escalator is relatively gentle.
Yes.
Usually it's about the angle 30 or
Yes.
angle 35.
Yes, right. And escalator has the following advantage.
Yes.
The first one is people can get up and down at any time. Do not need a certain waiting time like the elevator. So the escalator has the advantage of continuous and rapid evacuations of a large number of people. And the second is we all know that the elevator needs to build a machine room and a pit.
Yes.
But the escalator does not need to install a machine room on the top of the building or consider a buffer pit on the bottom floor. So it takes up less space than the elevator.
Also, no need to do a lot of work to make it, right?
Yes, and the third one is, in case of failure, the escalator can be used as a general staircase instead of the weakness of the interruption of use in case of failure like the elevator.
So the escalator for Wing One has a lot of advantage already. But can you tell us if I choose the escalator, why I must be choose the Wing One brand?
Yes, why? There are many brands all over the world, and what are the advantage of our products?
Alright, so today I will talking it. The series of the escalator using the traction machine is
Yes.
by the National Advanced Technology, only designed for the escalator.
Yes.
Okay, so this type the traction machine has the excellent performance. Alright, and also the intelligent microcomputer control system
Yes.
has the device for the check itself. It has arrow or not.
Yes.
Okay, and also will show on the display. The other side, that is third point, the control system with the completed function, it is perfect. And with the microcomputer system produced by advanced technology.
Yes.
Alright, and the safety switch can control the system.
Yes.
It's distributed all the key part of the escalator. If there is any damage, it can on the same time monitoring for the whole machine for the
Yes.
escalator.
Yes.
If there is a fault in any part of escalator, do you know how we do it?
Actually, I'm not sure, but you can help to explain, right?
Of course, it is very easy.
Yes.
Because there is any fault in any part of the escalator or an abnormal accident happen, the microcomputer will directly cut off the power supply or
Wow.
break.
Wow.
So you don't worry about it.
Yes.
And then display will show the fault part on the panel detail 2, which enable the maintenance person to find the fault part immediately.
Yes.
Yes, easy to do the maintenance, right? And the other that is we reduce the time, reduce the downtime for some reason.
Yes.
It is very smart.
Yes. Right. And Rainbow, I see there are three numbers. It is about 30%, 45%, and 50%. May I know the meaning for them?
Of course, you can know. Also, for all the friends now is watching us,
Yes.
I want to talk why the escalator always have this number. Because their energy-saving models are
Yes.
available.
Oh.
Okay, number first, the frequency conversion
Yes.
from the low speed to the high speed. The energy saving, you know how much is it?
I guess it is 13%.
It is max 30%.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the frequency conversion.
Yes.
And variable frequency safe starting from zero speed to the high speed.
Yes.
The emergency saving, it can max 45%.
Wow, it's really saving.
So the new controller system on new escalator can saving a lot.
Yes.
Also, we have another standard self-starting from the zero speed to the high speed.
Yes.
This one, the energy saving, it can max 50%.
Wow, it really saving more energy here.
Energy, yes, it is.
And Rainbow, I see there is a picture for our escalator.
Yeah, it's by my left hand, please. We can check it.
Yes, I think we can introduce it to introduce our advantages more better.
Of course. Okay, we can check this picture. It is more clearly to see every part of it. For the cheese, it is with the stable structure, the cheese inside for the escalator. And the flexible large friction wall armrest drive, it is over here. And the number 5 flight and easy to install stainless steel inner or outer cover plant, that is here. Alright, and rotating end of large arc eco radius handrail. It is very clearly to see it. And number 7, integrated new space covered handrail entrance. And the last one, number 8, the high precision double side gate rail system. It is very clever.
Yes, I think Rainbow have introduced in great details, and here is some sample for the escalator. Let's have a look.
Yes, of course. You can see this table today we take many spare part to show more clean and clearly for our customer. Over here by my hand place, that is our escalator step. Over here, we're using the mantle. It is stainless steel. Also, in our factory, we produce another type, that is aluminum. And you can see my hand place. This has the rollers. It is also to connect the step and connect the step with the step chain on side to running, right?
Yes.
Okay, and for another one, when we taking the escalator, it must be has a lot of things to working together, like the step chain, like the step. Also has this one. This is very small.
What is it?
This is nylon slider plant.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's also fix it under the step in the escalator.
Yes.
And for we taking the escalator, we must be using our hand to holding something, right?
Yes.
If we no holding anything, it is a little dangerous for every people. So for the handrail, we has the rubber tab, also has other tab. We can see we has many colors of it. We has many type of it.
Yes.
It's according to different environments, we choose different color. We have, except this, we also have other color like yellow, like red. Both we have.
Yes.
But on my table, I have something I don't know it. That is this one. Liliana, can you tell us what is this?
Yes, actually this is the ring. It's not the wedding ring, I think.
Yeah.
It is the clapping ring. It is using under the steps. When we are using the escalator, we need it very small. And here is our board. When we are go to the escalator and at the entrance or exit, we will step on it. It is very useful, and it is only for the 304 stainless steels. Okay, this is all the samples, and other sample are very heavy, so we didn't take to our bookcase room.
Yes, the spare part is a little heavy, so a lot of things we can't carry in today's live showroom.
Yes.
But next time, I'm pretty sure when you come to our factory, we will
Yes.
show you more and show you the produce line to take you to see how the elevator work and how to produce every unit escalator and elevator.
Yes, it can be seen that our escalators and moving works are full of advantages.
Of course, so this is WINONE, the national brand. We
Yes.
trust the national brand will go to all over the world.
Yes.
Our factory have the very strong supply and also have the energy and powerful.
Yes.
You can believe it.
Okay. After the introducing, let's take a look at the highest test tower in South China. This is a test tower with a total height of 125 meters. I believe the scenery will be very good. So now, our colleague Kit and Stephen will take us show around the test tower and workshops. Let's go!
Yeah, let's go.